Hello, welcome to the training today. We're going to be looking at how to create mobile campaigns on mygeniuscentral.com. This is the website that you'll be managing the mobile app through. And in order to start something new here, you're going to click on this red button here that says Start Campaign. Now you can click here, or you can click up here on the Campaigns button on the top menu. I'm going to use this little red button. It goes to the same place, and this is your campaign history screen. This is a demonstration site for us and for this mobile app, so you'll see a lot of test things here, but on your campaign history screen you'll be able to see all of the things that you have recently sent or uploaded to the mobile app. If you're a brand new customer, then yours will be blank the first time you see it. This campaign list will show you the day that the campaign was created, the type of campaign, the template. You can see the campaign name here, and the type of media that the campaign went to. Besides mobile, you will be able to send emails, postcards, and post things to the website as well. You can see the group here that the campaign went to, the distribution, date and time, and then the status. A yellow status circle here means that the campaign is pending, it has not been sent, and the green status circle means that the campaign has been sent. Whether it's been sent immediately or whether it's waiting in the queue to upload to the mobile app, this will still turn green as soon as you click on Send. Now these two drop-down menus here are for sorting the screen, so you can sort by the type, so you can see all the coupons that you've done. You can also sort by template. You can see each specific type template that's available as well. But to create something new, you click over here on the right-hand side in this gray button that says Create Campaign. Now I'm going to start today with a What's New. And first I'm going to select my type. You can see you've got coupons, specials, and what's new, and as well you've got a loyalty option, which is specifically for email. So I'm going to select what's new. And now it's going to bring up this next drop-down menu for a template. Now there are lots of templates for the what's new. Most of them are primarily for sending emails. For example, if I were to send one for the summertime, it would come up with a picture on the email of summertime, some kind of artwork there. The same for Thanksgiving, the same for Valentine's. I usually do store news because it's the most generic. On the mobile app, all of these templates will look the same, so you're free to use whichever you like. The only good that they would do for the mobile app is for sorting purposes, because you can sort by template. I'm going to choose Store News. Now it asks me to select the media. I'm going to just click mobile here because we're focusing on mobile campaigns, but again you would be able to send this through email as well. The group for mobile is all customers. Eventually you will be able to target these if you have our Loyalty Genius program. But for now, all mobile campaigns go to all of the mobile customers. Now it asks me also to select the distribution date and time. Now this is the date that this campaign will actually upload to the mobile phone. So it's set to default at the current date and time, and if I leave that alone, it's going to immediately upload to the app. But if I want to, I can come in here and select a different date. We'll just choose Wednesday. And I can also select the time. Now the hours are in military time. Whoops, let's do 5. And the minutes. 5 o'clock in the morning. And now I'm going to come back up here and type in my campaign name. Now this name is only for me to see on my campaign list. My customers are not going to see this name, so I'm going to put all right. You want to make this something that you'll know exactly what this campaign is, so that when you're looking at your history screen, it doesn't blend in with everything else, so that you know exactly what each campaign is. I've set this all up here. Everything's looking good, so I'm going to click Next. It brings me to this screen where I can actually enter in the fields for my campaign. We've determined all this information, and now I get to enter the heading. I'm just going to do Summer is Here. So the heading is what's going to appear at the top of the app. It's going to be in the bold in a different color, so you want to make sure you put something eye-catching there. Subheading appears below that. I get to determine my expiration date here. I believe I'm sending that out on the 10th. Let's have it expire the 31st. And now I'm going to type in my description. All right. And now I get to choose an image. Now you see that these fields are all mandatory. This little star here that's saying those are required. The image is not mandatory, however, it is recommended. So I'm going to choose my file. Now I have this saved on my computer in a file that's specifically for my mobile images. We'll use this image. Select my image, and then I hit upload. And the images need to be 250 by 250 pixels and or smaller. That's a maximum. And they need to be in the format of a JPEG or a GIF in order to upload to this site. So I've got my image, I've got all the content set up here, everything's looking good. I'm going to save and continue. And now it takes me to the screen where I can send the campaign. I'm going to go ahead and click send, and it gives me a little second chance here. It says, are you sure you want to send this? I do indeed, but the reason it asks me is because once you send a campaign, you cannot then go in and edit the campaign. So you want to make sure that everything looks just the way you want it to look. I can do that by clicking this mobile over here, the tab. And I see I've got my image still, everything's looking great. So yes, I am going to go ahead and send the campaign. And you can see that it shows up right here on the top of my campaign list. A little mobile phone tells me that it's going to mobile, and the green circle here says that it's been sent. Now again, it's not going to distribute until the next day, but the green circle tells me, yep, it's been sent, it's in the queue, it's ready to go. Alright, that's how you create a What's New. I want to show you how to create a special. So I'm going to click Create Campaign. First I'm going to select the type. I'll come back to the name in a minute. We'll do a special here. Within specials, templates for specials, there are two options, free text special and the individual product special. The individual product special is if you have a specific UPC that you'd like to send a campaign for. It's going to prompt you to enter that UPC. And when you start doing that, you've got some items that come up as options, and as long as it's in our catalogs, it's going to show up here. If not, then it's no big loss. You can do the free text special. You can choose one of these, and some of these will populate with images, and some of them will also have descriptions and things, so it's kind of nice to check to see if you want to use this. I think this time I'm going to use a free text special. I'm going to send it to mobile, and I'm going to call this campaign Test Special. Now I get to determine my distribution date and time. I think I'm going to leave it this time, and that way the special will upload immediately to the phone. Click Next, and I have all of my fields to fill in. So we'll just do my great product that I've got in this store. I am going to have this expire at the end of the month, and I'll put my description. Alright, and here I get to choose my file and upload my image again. We'll just use this image. And there we go. Everything looks good. I'm going to save and continue. And I'll send the campaign. And here it is on my list. Now at this point I can click on the campaign name to see what I've done. There's my campaign, there's my image. But say I made a mistake on the campaign, there's something that I need to change, and I can go ahead here and click on this Cancel Mobile Campaign button. Now that's going to remove it immediately from the app. It gives me a little warning because this can't be undone. Once you cancel a mobile campaign, you cannot resend the campaign. You'd have to create it again from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and click yes. I do want to cancel the campaign. Now the status here stays green because technically this has been sent. All right, but that's what's going on there, so don't let that throw you off. Technically this has been sent. It doesn't mean live, it just means sent. Okay. The last thing I'm going to show you how to do is create a coupon. So I'm going to select a coupon from my types, and then from templates there are 4 options here. Well, we have the option for a custom coupon, which is a blank screen that you've seen before in the specials and the what's new. And then there are 3 other options: Premier Brands, Premier Product, and Subsidized Offers. Now these 3 will count toward the supplier offers that you need to opt into each month in order to waive your monthly store fee. So any of these 3 templates will count towards that. Now first I'll show you Premier Brands. Here I have a list of some suppliers that are offering things for the month, and if I select one of these, let's do Garden of Life. When I purchase this product, I'll get 40% off whatever the products are within the promotion, and this will allow me to go ahead and send a mobile coupon based on that offer. So if I select the brand here, then that's going to allow me to send a coupon for the entire brand. And these are pre-populated with images, with a description, with subheading. However, say I don't want to do the whole brand. I don't want to, just give a coupon for that all of those products. I can dial it down into Premier Product. I'm going to go ahead and select Garden of Life again. And now it asks me to select a product. So any of these products that fall within this promotion for the month, I can do an individual coupon for each of those. So I'm going to choose chocolate. It's a good choice. And click mobile here. All right. And everything looks good. I'm going to leave the date and time. We'll click next. And now I get to determine the offer. So you got 40% off this product. Now you get to choose what you want to give to your customers. So say I want to give straight across 40% off to my customers. It's a nice deal. Or I could do 20% off and save on the margins. Or if I'm feeling generous, 50% off. This is a good idea because it gives your customers lots of value in the app. They'll keep coming back. And in the meantime, you don't have to underwrite this whole coupon, just 10%. So that's very little off of your margins, but your customers are getting a great deal. So this is a good idea for these types of coupons, but basically it becomes your coupon. You get to decide what you want to do with it. You can edit this subheading. So I'll put Garden of Life. I'm going to do my expiration date. I ordered the product in July, but I want to go through August with this coupon. Now here's where you enter the redemption code. Each coupon needs a redemption code. The redemption code can be alphanumeric. It can include symbols if you like. And you get to determine. It can be 2 to 12 digits. And it's going to generate a barcode on the app. So you enter your redemption code there, then make sure that you enter it in your POS system so that this coupon will be recognized. I'm going to just change this a little bit. You can edit the description and add more. The disclaimer is something that's also not mandatory, but you can definitely add one. I'm going to put last here. And if everything looks good, I'll save and continue, and we'll send this campaign. There it is at the top here in green. Now I'm going to show you one last thing, and that is the subsidized offers, subsidized coupons here. And these are the manufacturer coupons that you can opt into. Now this list is only going to pull up the ones that I have not already opted into. There are several more that on this app have already been used, so I'm just going to choose one of them. Click on mobile. Off. All right, I'll leave the date and time and click next. Now this coupon is already pre-populated with an image and with all the information here. The only thing that you need to worry about entering is a redemption code, and I'm just going to do. All right, and then you can enter a disclaimer. And we'll just change this. Okay. And at this point I can save and continue and send the campaign. And there it is, right at the top. Now there's another place that you can find these subsidized offers or manufacturer coupons, and that is here in supplier offers. It's under campaigns, whoops, in supplier offers. And now I see this list here at the top of the 3 offers that I have not opted into. If I wanted to use one of these coupons, all you have to do is enter the redemption code and hit send offer. On this you can see what the coupon's going to look like. You can also retrieve a list of the UPCs that qualify, so you can see what's going to work. And you can also see in this screen all of the coupons that you've already opted into. So if I scroll to the bottom, I'm going to see here the Tofurky one that I just sent. So all of these are currently on my app. And that is how you enter mobile campaigns via mygeniuscentral.com. If you have any questions, please contact us. We'll be happy to help you, and hope you enjoy using your mobile app and get the most of it. Thanks. Have a good day.